What's up everyone, Francis Roman here again. Welcome back to my another new weekly video. This episode is gonna be another tutorial on freeze transition from baby freeze to headstand. Alright guys, I'm gonna make it quick. I hope my tutorial can help you actually do it in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna make it short and quick and easy and simple. Alright, so guys, before I proceed to anything, guys, please, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share it to your friends, and drop a comment on what you want me to do right next, which tutorial you want to see, what moves you want to see. Comment down below on what you're thinking, right? So as usual, before you start anything, before you start any freeze, be sure to warm yourself up, alright? Your hand, your wrist, your ankle, your head, your neck, alright? I already warm up, it's your turn. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you how to change your baby freeze to your headstand, alright? Guys, if you want to learn how to headstand, check out my previous tutorial. I did one tutorial for you guys, and I didn't have any tutorial regarding how to do a baby freeze. But if you want to learn this tutorial, this transition, we're gonna have a baby freeze. Go search other tutorials and learn how to do it, and then you're gonna learn how to headstand. So you can change from baby freeze to headstand, alright? So it actually looked like this. Baby freeze. This is baby freeze to headstand. Alright? This is the freeze transition I'm gonna teach you today. First of all, I have to say, do a baby freeze, alright? You're gonna choose one side, alright? Today, I'm gonna choose my left side. Choose the side, okay, baby freeze. Make sure you have a good baby freeze. Make sure you actually master your baby freeze, alright? And then, the moment you're gonna transit up to headstand, my way of doing, I'm gonna put my head first. I'm gonna slowly move my head. If you see properly, I'm gonna move it to the headstand position like this, and then lift up 2, 3. I use this way to go up for the headstand. So everyone teaches different way, and I have my own way, you have your own way. I just hope that my tutorial can actually help you, right? So I'm gonna do it again. When I do a baby freeze right here, I'm gonna move my head slowly into my headstand position and starting to push more, right? Your leg, you're gonna maintain, don't drop. If you drop, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen, right? You're gonna keep pushing up, lift up your leg, right? Don't put down, don't put it down. You gotta keep it on air. And your hand, you're gonna work out a little bit to make sure you have enough strength, right? Work out a little bit to make sure you have enough strength. Again, it's easy, simple. Baby freeze, put your hand inside, and then push with your both hands and leg, lift up, alright? You got it? I hope you guys got it, okay? I guess that's it for this simple transition from baby freeze to headstand. It's pretty simple, it's easy. I hope my tutorial can help you guys to learn it in 5 minutes. And I wish you guys good luck. Train hard, train every day, no giving up is available, okay? Before I end this video, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share it to your friends, and drop a comment on which tutorial you want to see right next. Anything you want to ask me, drop a comment below, okay? Drop a comment below. Guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Francis_Romanism. Check out my music channel. I do rap, I do music. Check my song out. Check out my track, and I appreciate that a lot. You can even find my track on Spotify, Amazon, iTunes, Apple Music, Shazam. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for the support you guys showing me right now. I love you guys. I love you, Froman. Froman, peace.